Okay, in the annual income worksheet, the range H5 to H10, which is here, should contain spark lines, but they should be column spark lines. So go to Insert, we need to redo them, Column, and the data range B5 to G10. So B5 to G and all the way down to 10. Okay, and then they also wanted them to be a darker 25% green sparklined color. So here, and we're going accent 5, and it's green, what did I say, 25%. So it's the last, next to the last one. The 3D pie charts, the data labels, which are here, format the data labels. These should be formatted using percentage number with 1 decimal place. You've got percentage, and they need to be 1 decimal place. The horizontal axis here should be based on B4 to G4. So right click that. Sometimes it takes a couple of times to do that. And we want to select the data, and we're going to be on B4 to G4. Edit this, and then B4 to G4 are the years. And then you see years down here instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And click OK. Okay, according to this, the vertical axis minimum here we go. Minimum should be set to 150,000. Okay, we're going to add primary, major, horizontal, and vertical grid lines. So to do that, select the chart area, not the plot, the chart. Go to Design, Add Chart Element, and there's your grid lines, primary, major, horizontal, and we want to also add primary, major, vertical. On the same one on the chart area, format the chart area, and we want to fill a solid fill, and it's the blue 5, lighter 80%, which is the first one. Perfect. Okay, the title should be formatted Arial font. The line charts title should be formatted using blue accent 5. Oops. Accent 5 font color. Okay. Just making sure it wasn't a different, didn't have something else different to it. Okay, so font color, which is here, should be blue accent 5. Lots of blue. The stacked column chart, which is below that, should not contain data from the range A10 to G10. Okay, so what's happened is when you did your stacked columns, hang on a minute, select data. You don't want up here, you don't want G10 to be selected. You want it to end with the row before the totals row because you don't want the total row. So it really should be F9. And you can change it like I'm changing it, or you can drag again to select the right ones. I think what I did will work. Yes, and that fixes it. Okay, the legend. You have the fill and the outline right, but they also wanted, let's format the legend, they also wanted a preset shadow. That's this one. Shadow, and we're doing a preset, and it said to do an outer bottom right. So that one, and you can see the shadow now. In loan options, cell B12, there should not be a negative here because you want the answer to be negative since it is a payment. So I'm going to fill those again across. So once you've changed and taken the negative out, then select these two rows and fill across so it'll fill both of them.